This is a brand new apartment complex here in Suncha. This place is about $500 a month. Come check it out. Got TV, spot for your laptop, mirror for your makeup, although I don't think my dude needs it. Got a little balcony here. Check out the beach. This is a local neighborhood too, by the way. This is in Suncha, Mian over here where the prices go up and the craziness goes up accordingly. But this is about 2 blocks from the ocean. Got washer and dryer right here, so you don't even have to go out for laundry. You can wash all your stuff right here at the crib. All right, got a queen size bed, brand new AC, which is important. You want to have a new AC in your apartment or a newer unit because it's going to pump out better air. I've been in a place with the older unit, bad juju, bad juju. Something you don't see in a lot of places is a ceiling fan. As much as that seems like not a big deal, over here it really is, because most folks, like in my apartment, I buy a little fan and oscillate side to side, but that's a nice feature to have. LED lights as well. Got a nice sofa over here, a little spot to kick it. It's good not to always be in the bed, so having a sofa, a big plus for an apartment. Also over here we got a wardrobe, put your clothes, a 3/4 size fridge, which is a good thing. A lot of places are smaller, but 3/4 size is more than enough. Lots of cubbies if you want to stock in some wine over here for sure. And you got your little breakfast nook, place with the light. And the kitchen, if you do want to do some cooking, you can do it here. And this is important. We got an overhead fan, which is crucial. A lot of places don't have it. Smell up your whole place super fast. Bathroom is nice and new, and we do have a divider. With a shower, which is nice. Spot for your shampoo and your accoutrement. Solid bathroom here. A little window too, let out some steam. To save a little space, your sink is on the outside with all of your stuff. So that's just saving space. This is the setup in a lot of places I've seen. Not really too crazy here. I know it's not normal for there, but here it is. There it is. Balcony apartment right next to the ocean. This is technically a 1-bedroom. You got a divider here that separates the rooms. Pretty common. They call it a 1-bedroom. It's like a oversized studio with a divider. The divider is nice because you can keep that part of your room cold, keep the AC going, and close the thing.